Imagine waking up every morning above the clouds. The first rays of sunlight piercing through the mist, painting the sky in hues of gold and pink, not just above the city, but above the weather itself. A serene world where the hustle and bustle of the streets below seem like a distant memory. This is the reality for the select few who call the penthouse at the Burj Khalifa home. A sanctuary in the sky where luxury meets tranquility. At a staggering $49 million, this is not just a dwelling, it's a statement. A bold declaration of success and ambition. A monument to human ambition and a testament to our desire to touch the sky. The Burj Khalifa stands as a beacon of what is possible when dreams are pursued relentlessly. This is not just about luxury, although there is plenty of it. It's about the experience, the feeling of being on top of the world. It's about experiencing a life less ordinary, a life lived at the very pinnacle of human achievement. A life where every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection. It's about looking down on the world from a perspective few will ever know. A vantage point that offers a unique view of the world, both literally and figuratively. It's about living in a place where the impossible becomes possible. A place where dreams are not just imagined, but realized. Every corner of this penthouse tells a story of elegance and sophistication. From the intricate design elements to the breathtaking views, it's a masterpiece in every sense. As night falls, the city below transforms into a sea of lights. A mesmerizing display that can be enjoyed from the comfort of your own home. The penthouse is equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, ensuring that every need is met with the utmost convenience and style, with private access and exclusive amenities. This is a residence that offers unparalleled privacy and security. The expansive terrace provides a perfect setting for entertaining guests or simply enjoying a quiet moment above the city. Every piece of furniture, every decor item has been carefully selected to complement the grandeur of this extraordinary home. Imagine starting each day with a view that inspires and invigorates. A constant reminder of the heights you have reached. This is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. A testament to living life at its fullest potential. The Burj Khalifa penthouse is a symbol of what can be achieved when vision meets determination. It's a place where the extraordinary becomes the everyday. It's about living in a place where the impossible becomes possible. A place where dreams are not just imagined, but realized. The journey begins at the base of the Burj Khalifa, a gleaming spire piercing the Dubai sky. This architectural marvel stands as a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. A dedicated elevator, reserved only for residents of the penthouse, whisks you upwards at a dizzying speed. This is no ordinary elevator. It is a capsule of luxury, designed to elevate not just your body but your senses. The city shrinks below as you ascend, transforming into a glittering tapestry of light and life. Each floor you pass brings a new perspective, a new layer of the city's vibrant pulse. As the elevator doors silently part, you are greeted by a grand foyer bathed in soft light. The ambiance is both welcoming and awe-inspiring, a perfect prelude to the opulence that lies beyond. The air hums with an understated elegance, a subtle reminder that you have entered a realm of unparalleled luxury. Every detail, from the lighting to the decor, has been carefully curated to create an atmosphere of serene sophistication. The finest materials have been meticulously crafted to create a space that is both opulent and inviting. Marble, gold, and other luxurious elements come together in a harmonious blend, showcasing the pinnacle of craftsmanship. Each piece of furniture, each work of art, has been chosen not just for its beauty, but for its ability to enhance the overall aesthetic. This is a space where every element tells a story, where luxury and comfort coexist in perfect harmony. From the windows, the view is nothing short of breathtaking. The sprawling city of Dubai stretches out before you, a living, breathing entity that pulses with energy and life. As the sun sets, the city transforms, its lights twinkling like stars in the night sky. The penthouse is equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, ensuring that every need is met with the utmost convenience. From smart home technology to bespoke services, this is a residence that caters to your every whim. Here, life is lived at the pinnacle of luxury. Whether you're hosting a grand soiree or enjoying a quiet moment of reflection, the penthouse offers a sanctuary of elegance and comfort. This is more than just a home, it is a testament to a life well lived. The penthouse is a symphony of space and light, where every corner tells a story of elegance and grandeur. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer uninterrupted panoramic views, capturing the city's vibrant energy from dawn till dusk, blurring the line between the inside and the outside. The design invites the cityscape into your living space. Every detail, from the hand-stitched carpets to the bespoke furnishings, speaks of meticulous craftsmanship and uncompromising quality. The air is filled with the subtle scent of exotic flowers, carefully chosen to complement the penthouse's sophisticated ambiance. Artworks by renowned artists adorn the walls, turning the living space into a private gallery. This is a place where art, design, and luxury intertwine to create an experience that is both breathtaking and deeply personal. The grand staircase, with its marble steps, serves as a centerpiece, connecting the various levels of opulence. A private library filled with leather-bound books offers a quiet retreat for moments of reflection and inspiration. The state-of-the-art kitchen, equipped with the finest appliances, is a culinary artist's dream, blending functionality with style. Spa-like bathrooms, with their luxurious fixtures and marble details, offer a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation. The home theater, with its plush seating and cutting-edge technology, provides an immersive entertainment experience. A private gym, outfitted with the latest equipment, ensures that wellness and fitness are always within reach. The rooftop pool, with its stunning views and serene ambiance, is the perfect place to unwind and soak in the beauty of the city. The expansive terrace, with its elegant seating and breathtaking views, offers an ideal setting for both relaxation and entertaining. High-end lighting fixtures, thoughtfully placed throughout the penthouse, create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Smart home technology seamlessly integrates with the luxurious design, offering convenience and control at your fingertips. Advanced security features ensure peace of mind, allowing you to fully enjoy the splendor of your surroundings. A high-end sound system, delivering crystal-clear audio, enhances the ambiance. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet evening, the wine cellar, with its curated collection of fine wines, is a connoisseur's delight, perfect for both casual sipping and grand celebrations. The view from the penthouse is simply breathtaking. It's a sight that captures the essence of Dubai's grandeur. During the day, the world stretches out before you, a boundless expanse of desert, city, and sea. The Arabian Gulf glistens under the sun, its waves gently kissing the shore. The bustling metropolis of Dubai unfolds below, its iconic skyscrapers resembling miniature models. From the Burj Al Arab to the Palm Jumeirah, each landmark tells a story of ambition and innovation. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city transforms into a magical tapestry of twinkling lights. The Burj Khalifa stands tall, bathed in a golden hue, as if bidding farewell to the day. The desert beyond shimmers under a blanket of stars, a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the unique vantage point this penthouse offers. Constellations paint the sky, each star a beacon of the infinite. This is a place where you can watch the world go by from a distance, yet feel strangely connected to the pulse of life below. Whether sipping coffee on the balcony or simply gazing out the window, the city's rhythm becomes your own. Inside, the penthouse itself is a marvel of luxury, with floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the ever-changing panorama. Every step you take reveals a new perspective, a new story waiting to be told. Section 5. The height of technology. The penthouse is not just a marvel of design and luxury, it is also a testament to human ingenuity. Every corner of this residence speaks volumes about the fusion of art and technology. Cutting-edge technology is seamlessly integrated into every aspect of the living experience, ensuring comfort, convenience, and security. Imagine controlling your entire home with just a few taps on your tablet or smartphone. A sophisticated home automation system allows you to control everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and security with a simple touch. The intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to use regardless of their tech savviness. State-of-the-art security measures, including biometric access control and 24/7 surveillance, provide peace of mind. You can rest assured that your home is protected by the latest advancements in security technology. This is a place where you can truly disconnect from the world outside, knowing that you are safe, secure, and in complete control. The serene environment, coupled with the breathtaking views of the city, offers a perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The kitchen is equipped with the latest high-tech appliances, making cooking a delightful experience. From smart refrigerators that keep track of your groceries to induction cooktops that offer precise temperature control, every detail is designed to enhance your culinary adventures. Even the bathrooms are a testament to modern technology. Smart mirrors, automated shower systems, and touchless faucets ensure that your daily routines are as efficient and luxurious as possible. Voice-activated virtual assistants are at your service, ready to help with anything from setting reminders to controlling your home environment. This level of convenience truly sets the Penthouse apart, making it a haven of modern living. As night falls, the cityscape transforms into a mesmerizing display of lights, visible from the comfort of your penthouse. It's a sight that never fails to captivate, reminding you of the unique vantage point you enjoy from the top of the world. Section 6. Living above the clouds. Living in the Burj Khalifa penthouse is not just about having access to the best that money can buy, it's about experiencing a lifestyle that is truly extraordinary. A dedicated concierge team is available around the clock to cater to your every whim, from arranging private jet charters to securing last-minute reservations at the city's most exclusive restaurants. Residents have access to an unparalleled array of amenities, including a private swimming pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a luxurious spa. The penthouse also boasts its own private cinema, perfect for hosting private screenings and enjoying movie nights under the stars. Section 7. A global icon. The Burj Khalifa is more than just a building, it's a global icon. Standing at a staggering 828 meters, it holds the title of the tallest structure in the world. Its distinctive silhouette has become synonymous with Dubai's ambition and extravagance. The tower's design is inspired by the Hymenocalyst flower, a symbol of elegance and beauty. Owning a piece of this iconic structure, particularly the penthouse, is a status symbol coveted by the world's elite. The penthouse offers unparalleled views of the city and beyond. Celebrities, business tycoons, and royalty are all rumored to be among the penthouse's admirers. It's a place where luxury meets exclusivity. Its allure lies not just in its opulence, but also in its exclusivity. The interiors are designed with the finest materials, offering a blend of comfort and sophistication. This is a place where you can rub shoulders with the world's most powerful and influential individuals. A place where connections are made and deals are struck. The penthouse serves as a hub for high-stakes negotiations and elite gatherings. The Burj Khalifa penthouse is not just a residence, it's a statement. A statement of success, power, and unparalleled luxury. It's where dreams meet reality, and where the extraordinary becomes the everyday. Section 8. Unparalleled Grandeur. While there are other luxury residences around the world, none can quite compare to the Burj Khalifa penthouse. Its unique combination of height, design, and location sets it apart as a true original. It is the embodiment of luxury, exclusivity, and unparalleled grandeur. From the moment you step inside, you are enveloped in a world of unparalleled luxury and sophistication. Every detail has been carefully considered to create an experience that is both indulgent and unforgettable. This is a place where you can truly live like royalty, surrounded by beauty, comfort, and breathtaking views. The penthouse features custom-designed furniture and handcrafted decor elements that add a personal touch to the opulent surroundings. Imagine relaxing in a marble bathtub with a view of the city, a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances, making it a culinary haven for any chef. For entertainment, the private cinema room offers a state-of-the-art viewing experience with plush seating. Stay fit in the private gym, equipped with high-end fitness equipment and panoramic views to keep you motivated. Unwind at the private bar where you can enjoy a drink while taking in the mesmerizing city lights. Host an unforgettable dinner party in the elegant dining area where every meal becomes a special occasion. As you walk through the grand hallways, intricate lighting fixtures and art pieces adorn the walls, adding to the sense of grandeur. At night, step out onto the balcony to witness the city's skyline illuminated, a breathtaking sight under the stars. The use of luxurious fabrics and materials throughout the penthouse adds a tactile element to the visual splendor. Find a quiet moment in the cozy reading nook, surrounded by shelves filled with books and a serene atmosphere. For those seeking tranquility, A dedicated meditation space offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle. Enjoy a meal on the terrace, where the panoramic view of the city provides a stunning backdrop for outdoor dining. Experience the Penthouse through a virtual tour, where immersive technology brings every detail to life. This is not just a residence, it is a masterpiece of design and luxury, offering an unparalleled living experience at the top of the world. Section 9. Pinnacle of Human Ambition. The Burj Khalifa penthouse is more than just a home, it is a symbol of human ambition and ingenuity. A place where luxury meets unparalleled views. It represents our desire to push the boundaries of what is possible and to create structures that inspire awe and wonder. A testament to human creativity and perseverance. Living at the highest point in the world is a powerful statement. It's an experience that few can claim. It's a testament to your success, your ambition, and your desire to live life on your own terms. A reflection of your journey and achievements. It's a constant reminder that we are capable of achieving great things when we set our minds to it. A beacon of hope and inspiration. The view from the top may be breathtaking, but it's the journey to get there that truly defines us. Every step, every challenge, every triumph. The Burj Khalifa stands as a monument to what we can achieve when we dare to dream big. A legacy of human ambition and vision. As we look to the future, let the Burj Khalifa remind us that the sky is not the limit but just the beginning. The pinnacle of human ambition.